Unraveling the phrase, stretch like a crane. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, stretch like a crane. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add a beautiful layer to your English language skills. So, let's unfold the mystery behind this phrase together. When we say someone is stretching like a crane, we're painting a vivid picture of elegance and grace. Cranes are tall, slender birds known for their long necks and legs. When they stretch, there's a sense of delicacy and poise that captivates observers. In the English language, comparing someone to a crane stretching implies they are moving in a graceful and deliberate manner, often standing tall and reaching out with ease and elegance. This phrase doesn't have a single, traceable origin but draws from the general human appreciation for nature and animals, especially birds like cranes that symbolize grace and beauty in many cultures. When used in English, stretch like a crane can describe physical movements that are smooth and expansive. It's often used in contexts like yoga, dance, or even in describing someone waking up in the morning and stretching in a particularly graceful way. 1. After waking up from her nap, Mia stretched like a crane, arms reaching towards the ceiling with a yawn. 2. In the middle of the yoga class, the instructor demonstrated a pose and said, "Now, stretch like a crane, and feel the stretch along your sides." 3. The ballet dancer stretched like a crane, her long limbs moving fluidly as she prepared for her performance. In many cultures, cranes are symbols of longevity, happiness, and good fortune. Thus, comparing someone's stretching to that of a crane not only highlights the physical grace but also subtly invokes these positive qualities. This makes stretch like a crane a phrase that's not just about the physical act but also about embodying a sense of beauty and positivity in one's movements. Stretch like a crane is a beautiful expression that brings together the worlds of language and nature. It reminds us of the elegance and grace that human movements can embody. We hope this exploration helps you appreciate the depth and beauty of English expressions even more. Keep stretching your language skills, and maybe, just like a crane, you'll reach new heights of eloquence and grace. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.